I was awestruck when I saw the back tap feature added to iOS 14 developer preview under accessibility, which can be configured to open Siri, launch any app, or capture a screenshot on an iPhone. Being an Android fanboy, I expected this feature to be ported to Android OS before the public release of iOS 14, and yes, it happened. Without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Welcome to INV Tech, and in today's video, we are going to check out the alpha build of TapTap app. It's an open source app currently developed by Kiran Quinn, and the source code for the same is available on GitHub. This app runs on any Android device running Android 7.0 and above. Copy paste the link given in the description to download the APK file. Open Downloads folder, click on the APK file and click on Install. Click on Open. This app uses Android Accessibility Service to detect taps on the back of device. Allow or enable the accessibility service for TapTap app and you're good to go. Try double tapping on back of your phone and Google Assistant should pop up. In case it fails, navigate to Gesture in the TapTap app settings. Click on Device Model and select another device model and try again. You can configure the tasks that are to be run on double tap from Actions menu. In this screen, you can add multiple actions, but remember, the actions are prioritized and the app runs the topmost action. That is, if the top action fails, then the next action would be executed. Here, if the launch assistant is failed, then the screenshot action would be executed on the device. Actions can be configured to take a screenshot, toggle the flashlight, mimicking button taps, etc. Configure actions as per your liking and give them a try. In the application settings, you see gates. Gates are the situations that are defined when to disable the actions that are configured. From the gate screen, you can set the situation when the back tab should not run. You can select different options like the back tab to be disabled when the display of your phone is turned off, or when you're on a call, or when you're charging your device. Let's now see how the app works. On my device, I added only one action to toggle the flashlight. You can now see that each time I double tap on the back of the device, the flashlight is toggled. As per documentation on GitHub, the app uses Google's TensorFlow machine learning model to detect double taps, and it might get better in future releases. Link to download the APK is provided in the description. For more interesting content, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.